Assalamu alaikum guys. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to backward channel. Caution lovers. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet cup cozy designs ideas collection. Beautiful cup cozy, beautiful flowers, beautiful patterns, very amazing, different colorful crochet, handmade, hand knitted cup cozy designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the design that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Thank you watching. Take care. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.